All right, my friends, welcome. This is David Ha'ivri, and today I am going to take you on a tour at a very special place, which is called Oz Vegaon. This is a shmura, a reserve, a nature reserve in Gush Etzion, near the Tzomet HaGush, and it is a memorial for 3 boys who were murdered by Palestinian terrorists. And this site has been built up and maintained by the women in green. I hope that my voice sounds all right in spite of the wind. I'm going to tell you about the 3 boys who were murdered, and this site is meant to be a memorial to them. Their names were Gilad, Eyal, and Naftali. And the site was built to memorialize their memory. And there are playgrounds here, as we will shortly see, and tents and shaded areas and the forest areas. And it's a great place on Road 60 on the way from Jerusalem going to Hebron. And that is actually what we're doing today. Here I'll flip over the camera so you can take a look and see what I see. more signs with inscriptions and quotes by famous people, famous Zionist leaders. Let's see what this quote says. It's in the words of Rabbi Moshe Levinger. It says, "First and foremost, one must inculcate Eretz Yisrael into the consciousness of every Jew. There can be no such thing as a child who does not know this fundamental matter, and there is a will, determination, a clear objective. The individual has the ability to draw the multitude, even the government after him." That's Rabbi Moshe Levinger, who was a leader of the movement of establishing the Jewish presence in Judea and Samaria. I must say, for the credit of AFSI, who established the structure that we're going to check out now, that they really took a step to expand the presence of the Oz Vegaon Park all the way down towards the Tzomet HaGush, which is really very commendable. Below us we can see the Tzomet HaGush is the main intersection on Road 60, and from here we can turn off to Kfar Etzion and Alon Shvut, and even reach Beit Shemesh from this road. And just north of us is the city of Efrat. Here, this is the new structure, the pergola, that was built by AFSI in memory of AFSI's director, executive director, leader, Helen Friedman, who passed away recently. And she was a big supporter of the Women in Green and the Oz Vegaon, and planting trees and supporting the Jewish communities in Judea and Samaria. Here we can see Road 60 below us. We're walking now towards this new structure. And let's read the inscription on the structure. It says in Hebrew and in English, "In eternal memory of Helen Friedman, who loved Eretz Yisrael, a woman with Ruach Acheret, a unique and powerful spirit." So this is a place where we can hold gatherings and classes and events. And here's another sign in memory of Helen Friedman, the Helen Friedman Compound. As executive director of AFSI, Americans for a Safe Israel, Helen acted on her passion for Zion in words and action. She spoke out at every opportunity on behalf of a greater Israel and application of sovereignty. She brought more than 50 Jewish groups from America to Israel to give chizuk to the brave pioneers of Judea and Samaria. This was built by Miriam and Stephen Ames, Billy Baum and family, Jean Brodsky, Steve Engel and family, Lori and Paul Fine, Carol Freto, Keith Francis, Ken Friedman, loving son, Carl Gimbino and family, Beverly and Marty Jacob, Debbie and David Jacobs, Shalisa Kaddish, Judy Friedman Kaddish, Moti Kaddish, Dustin Nick Pirko, Brian Pinkley, Phil Rosenblatt, Leon Smaja, Salon and Fred Tichner, Scott Yagoda and family, Linda and Howard Zell, Howard and Fern Stern. Thank you all for your support and for honoring Helen.